Knowledge Center. The Knowledge Center is the central repository of intellectual assets within NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise. It serves as a unified platform for organizing, managing, and delivering trusted enterprise knowledge to AI systems, business users, researchers, and decision makers. By integrating structured, semi-structured, and unstructured information into a governed knowledge ecosystem, the Knowledge Center ensures that enterprise intelligence remains accurate, accessible, secure, and continuously evolving. The Knowledge Center consolidates information from multiple enterprise sources, including policies, procedures, technical documentation, research publications, business processes, standards, operational manuals, regulatory guidelines, and organizational best practices. Through intelligent indexing, semantic relationships, metadata management, and knowledge classification, it transforms dispersed information into a coherent knowledge foundation that supports efficient discovery, contextual understanding, and informed decision-making. Within the NeuroGov Plus architecture, the Knowledge Center works closely with AI memory, reasoning components, governance services, and enterprise intelligence engines to provide context-aware knowledge retrieval. It enables AI applications to access validated information while maintaining governance controls, version management, access permissions, and auditability. This integration helps reduce knowledge silos, improves response quality, and enhances the reliability and transparency of AI-assisted operations across the enterprise. Beyond knowledge storage, the Knowledge Center promotes continuous learning and innovation by capturing organizational expertise, research findings, implementation experiences, and emerging best practices. As new information becomes available, the knowledge repository is enriched through governance-driven validation and lifecycle management, ensuring that enterprise intelligence remains current, relevant, and aligned with evolving business objectives, regulatory requirements, and technological advancements. The NeuroGov Plus Knowledge Center is designed to become a strategic enterprise asset that empowers intelligent automation, governance, research, collaboration, and evidence-based decision-making. By combining enterprise knowledge management with advanced AI capabilities, it provides a scalable foundation for trusted digital transformation, enabling organizations to preserve institutional knowledge, accelerate innovation, improve operational excellence, and support the development of responsible, explainable, and enterprise-ready artificial intelligence solutions. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.